Office feminist tried to roast me, I nuked her Feetfinder career. Be me. 28. Terminally online office drone. Vape in the parking lot during breaks. No one talks to me unless the printer breaks. They call me Kuma behind my back. LOL okay, at least I pay rent unlike their dignity. New manager joins. Female energy set to nuclear. Pink hair, NPR tote, smug face. Smells like Planet Fitness locker room and essential oils. Has MA in gender psychology, from Hogwarts or something. Talks like she tweets for a living. Immediately decides I'm the enemy. Targets me like I'm a male-coded boss fight. Every meeting becomes a roast session. You still sleep in anime boxers. This is what happens when Reddit mods get jobs. HR watching like it's reality TV. I just eat my cold lasagna and count crumbs. Then lunchtime massacre. Room full of people. She drops this one. You're what happens when Incels learn to code. Whole room explodes in laughter. Even our dead-eyed manager wheezes. But I've been waiting. Heart rate 62 BPM. Slowly pull out phone. Open Twitter. Show her alt. Banner pic equals feet. Bio equals last chance to worship face blowing a kiss. Username matches the burner Gmail she used to email HR once. Her face equals instant Windows crash. She forgot she linked that email. I lean back and hit her with. At least I pay the women I simp for. You're doing it for free. Room dead silent. Printer randomly starts printing like it's applauding. I walk out. Finish lasagna in the parking lot like a king. Next morning, summoned to HR. You escalated the situation. I reply, she escalated by existing near me. They look at me like confused Skyrim NPCs. She disappears for a week. Word spreads, her Feetfinder got nuked by mass reports. Alt gone, no refunds. She comes back. No makeup, hoodie, eyes like she saw the internet's true face. Avoids me like I'm a class action lawsuit. Sits on the other side of the building now. The feeling when she called me Kuma. But she was giving it away for likes. Project harder, boss lady.